Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I have come up to show you making of the simple mango booty designing using the normal stitching needle on already stitched blouse. It's super simple and very creative, very cost efficient, and without wasting time, let's quickly start with this design. These are readily available mango shaped designer rings which is of very small size. Nowadays you will get in different sizes and different shapes. All these varieties you can get from fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box, if you want you can check it. And these are designer flower rings which I'm gonna use for this designing. So in the exactly just beside this mango booty I would be sticking these designer flower shaped beads. This is how we have to stick it, and without leaving any gaps, now I would be again sticking the mango frame. As the lace work is already done on the sleeves, also on the neckline, so I'm not highlighting anything. But if you want to highlight the sleeve openings, also the neckline, you can use the chain bow lace and stole lace for highlighting, and then follow these instructions, which the output will really gets like and professionally done. The same way I'll follow on the neckline also, but here I'm gonna design this on only the sleeves. And in between this mango frame I'll be sticking red color kundan, which is of small size, drop shape kundan. Now on the complete sleeves I am creating like the booty, so this is how we have to stick it one after another randomly. Now underneath this mango frame I will be sticking the gold color flower beads. Following these instructions, you can create like the simple designer booty on the plain sarees, designing on the dresses or any types of garment designing such like dupattas or stoles. Also in the centers I'd be sticking red color kundans. I'd be taking very small size of green color kundan. This is to stick in this tip of the mango frame. Now that the glue is completely dried, I would be giving an invisible stitches on these frames so that even after the frequent washes it will not come out. This is how I have to give an invisible stitches. And I'm done with the designing on the sleeves. This is how it looks, the front side of the sleeve. Also this is towards the back side of the sleeve. The complete designing which will really gives the stylish and stunning appeal without putting much efforts and very cost efficient. I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles and raise me for this. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to